I want to refer to how we use concepts. Concepts may serve as a basis for inquiry, development, continuous learning, or something that closes. How do we use concepts? It is possible to use any psychoanalytic concept as something that opens an investigation or closes an investigation. For example, id, ego, and superego, Freudian concepts, it is possible to use them in a closing way, as if we already know what it is about. Say, oh, he has a marked superego, or his ego is not developed, or his id went crazy. And it is possible to use them as signs for further investigation. I'm interested in what the superego is, and what form does it take in this specific person. All kinds of psychological phrases that we say almost automatically may not serve as a basis for discussion and investigation, but precisely to close or to hide our impotence, such as the phrase, "you have to set limits." Concepts are no-things, and we do not want to create an illusion that they are already things known or that they are nothing. They are something that lends a basis for investigation. In Bion's own language, the language he created is a language of no-things. All the concepts that we study in the course, O, K, beta elements, alpha function, alpha elements, container-contained, dreaming, caesura, and even the no-thing concept, all are no-things. They are not things. They are concepts that do not indicate and say, it is this. They say, there's a conceptual here, a concept here, a conceptual ring within things can develop in our consciousness. It is possible to confuse and turn Bion's language into things, or to turn it into nothing. To say, if there is no such thing as an alpha function, then it is nothing. Or say, oh, the alpha function is equivalent to alpha waves or frequency that the brain emits when we sleep. One collapses to nothing, and the other collapses to a thing, to something. It is very similar to caesura and to the challenge of not collapsing to one pole or its opposite, not to collapse to something or to nothing. That student, the one who does not know how to divide, can say, I don't know anything, I never knew anything, I will never know anything, or leave me alone. Or he can make it seem like, I already know everything, or I don't need you. Collapsing to any of these extremes reflects an inability to meet the unknown, which is always the basis of any true learning and developmental process. This collapse also reflects a use of omnipotent mechanisms, states in which the student does not need anyone or anything.